Today I'm going to show you how to make color corrector secondary on KineMaster. Go to filter, basic, BO5, go to glow. Go to glow. Sorry if I took that long. I was just trying to figure out. Anyway, go to color invert, and there you go. You got color corrector secondary on KineMaster.